Hi, it's Jason again at the Centre for Computing History at the Retro Computer Festival 2017, and continuing with the kind of the modern retro theme. I'm here with Spencer, who has brought in the RC2014. Spencer, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, sure. The RC2014, it's a Homebrew Z80 kit, so that you can build your own computer and solder it up just as you would have done back in late 70s, early 80s.
Right.
The kit itself, it's fundamentally a modular computer. So you've got a backplane where all of the data address lines, etc., are connected. There's Microsoft Basic on ROM,
Okay.
32K of RAM, the Z80 CPU, serial I/O, and a 7.3 megahertz clock. So put all that together, solder it all up, and you've got yourself a working computer. You plug it in to a serial port, and you can start typing in basic code as you would have done back in the day.
Fantastic. So you need a serial terminal to connect to it, but you can do that with a PC, right? You know,
Yes, I mean, so either a proper old school real terminal. If you've got an old VT100 lying about, it'll work fine. If not, then an FTDI cable into your laptop, run PuTTY or TerraTerm or whatever.
So is it a standard RS232 sort of 12-volt connection on it? Or
the standard one, there's the header pins for a 5-volt one,
Right.
but you can also expand it on to with a Max 232 and
Right.
run proper 12-volt. Real serial is available if that's your bag.
That is very cool. Very cool.
Now,
So,
one of the other options as well is that if you don't want to run it through a terminal, the Raspberry Pi Zero, or a £4 graphics card as I like to call it, does a great job of converting serial into HDMI. It also converts USB keyboard into serial. So as a dedicated little graphics card, you then completely stand alone and just
the little Pi Zero stuck on your head.
Exactly.
And that's what that one is over there, is that?
That's right. Yes.
Right,
Yes.
yeah. So that is very cool. So you end up with a sort of average 80s kind of Z80 based computer.
Exactly. Yes.
Is it the Microsoft Basic? What other systems in the 80s had kind of Microsoft Basic? That was kind of Dragon 32 had a Microsoft Basic.
I think it did, and the Commodore was a variation of it.
Right.
So this is actually modified from the NASCOM 2.
Okay.
So it's a NASCOM 2 Microsoft Basic with the NASCOM hardware specific stuff stripped out.
Yeah.
So it doesn't address the screen or talk to the tape drive, but it's other than that, that's essentially what that is.
Very cool. Is there any way of saving your programs? Is it all on tape or?
So with the basic one, the simple answer is no. If you're plugged into a laptop, you can save your notepad things.
Yeah.
However, if you expand it up to the point where you can run CPM, so I can have 64K of RAM, I can have a pageable ROM and compact flash for storage.
Right.
So I can then run CPM. So you can then run MBasic and save your stuff from there. But you can also then use WordStar and you can play.
I mean, CPM machines were Z80 based systems, weren't they? So
Exactly, yeah. So once you can play Zork and except you keep getting eaten by a grue. But apart from that, it's damn good fun.
That's brilliant. So are these available to buy online or?
They are, yes. I sell through the Tindy website, www.tindy.co.uk. Although there's links to it directly from rc2014.co.uk.
Okay, all right. And how much are they?
The basic one is $88. There's a single board version which is exactly the same spec but on a single board, obviously, which is $77. And then the various extra modules, if you want to add a Pi serial module or digital I/O and stuff like that, there's obviously an extra there.
Right, fantastic. So this is a really good way, really. I mean, there's parents out there who've got kids that are interested in computing a bit, but maybe the parents are a bit stuck in the 80s. They remember BASIC on the old BBC Micro or whatever it was.
Yeah.
This would be a really cool, to get your kids to build this, bit of electronics, bit of soldering. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
And then coding afterwards, they can get into basic programming exactly as it was in the 80s. that's very, very cool.
Yes.
And actually, I mean, a lot of people might think, well, you should be using Python or whatever, but actually, just understanding any language gives you an understanding of all languages. You know, it's about the idea
Yes.
of programming, understanding how to break down a problem into simple steps. It doesn't really matter what
Yes.
it is, does it?
Yes, I mean, so that there is that aspect, but there's also the aspect that you can understand the hardware on this. You know, a Raspberry Pi is fantastic, but how do you know when it's doing a write to memory or whatever? With this, well, there's a pin there. If that pin goes low, it's writing to memory. If that pin goes high, it's reading from memory. So with a Raspberry Pi, with an Arduino or whatever, they're great, but you don't really know what's going on inside.
No, it's all in the chip.
With this, you can see the address lines. You can, if you monitor the data lines, you can see what data is going in and out and stuff. So
it's a little bit reminiscent of a miniaturised S100 bus, isn't it? Really, you know, you've got
it
the
is,
backpack
yes,
there.
yeah. It's got the poor man's S100. So yes, yeah.
Yeah, but it makes it, you know, accessible. That's really cool. Love it, love it. So thank you very much for bringing it along. Really appreciate it. We've had a good time at the event.
Yeah, it's been a fantastic day. Thanks for the organisation.
Thank you very much, and yeah, well, hopefully we'll see you again next year.
Okay, yeah,
Thanks a lot.
absolute. Cheers.
Cheers.